Let's see if it's an outswinger or an in-swinger for AKFC. In-swinger intercepted there, but they get another strike, and nearly. It's still up in the air in a 50-50 ball, but just couldn't get anybody in that 6-yard box to strike it again. And here's another shot and a save as the rebound pounced on by Amanda Keast. They stiffen up the top of their defensive third, and now they get a counterattack going on the near side for Hawkins. Hawkins' drive over the top of the net. And it was beautiful, but now it is starting to change. As I mentioned in that game, that there will be a front coming through a little bit. On the run is Hawkins. Hawkins in the box. Hawkins finds a teammate at the top of the box, and a goal! Go, 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 goal! 1-0, the Calgary Blizzard with Kayla Cryer to put it in the top part, near side post, back of the net. Intercepted by Cadigan, but that ball still trickles over, and a service and a save! Great save that time by Jaden Chu. They get a touch now on a diagonal pass. A strike into the box now, trying to get another subsequent strike, and they do, and it's a goal! Go, 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 goal! Kate Nakagawa scoring the goal, and it is 2-0. Anna Sophia Roberts would have loved to continue on, but could not that time. Dispossessed. And here they go back up the field with McMullen. The orange and black. Nicole McMullen now sending that ball into the box. Finding a teammate there. She's free. And let's see. It's going to be a penalty shot. Cannot hold on to the player as they go into the 18-yard box. And now Jaden Chu is going to be pressed into service here. Always the advantage of the striker. Kayla Cryer trying to give him a 3-0 lead. Can she do it? Cryer down low, and it is 3-0. So Kayla Cryer on the penalty shot. If you're to have any chance of coming back in this match. The Calgary Blizzard have shown just an instance right there that they are strong of foot and they can play into space. Brimmer now in the deep back. Along the left flank, they get something going here to Whitney Lowe. Lowe's pass down to Central that time. However, they still have a player in the box. Opportunity here, and it's over the top of the net that time. And drive it across midfield. Now to Johnson. Johnson on the near side to Lowe. Lowe just outside the box. Whitney Lowe, her service, and it turns out to be a shot, and Keast is able to make the save. They put on a good tournament here in February and in October. Temperatures are conducive, and Jaden Chu, and it goes in the back of the net. She thought she might have gotten it all, but not quite as she looked back, and it is now 4-0. Greg G.K. Porter back here with the Calgary Blizzard, and you are?
Nicole McMullen.
Nicole, talk about playing in this match today and how much fun it was.
Oh, yeah, it was pretty fun. You know, I think our team was pretty excited to come to Las Vegas today. So, yeah, we were pretty pumped. Yeah.
When you're not playing soccer, what's the things that make you happy?
Things that make me happy. Well, I do enjoy basketball and golf. I'm a sports person, so yeah, that's always fun. Yeah.
No shopping or anything?
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely love to shop, yes.
How's your studies going at school?
You know, I keep them good.
Do the best you can, right?
I do the best, yeah.
Kayla Cryer scoring 3 goals, a hat trick, and Justine Hesch also scoring a goal. They had 10 set-piece tries, 6 for AKFC, and they win the match 4-0. We hope that you enjoyed this match here at the Las Vegas Mayor's Cup International Showcase 2012. For Bill Williams on the camera, I'm Greg G.K. Porter saying take care of yourself. As always, God bless, and remember to save this one on your hard drive. Bye now.